Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and I'm a freelancer. You're very much welcome to today's class. Today we'll be discussing input tag. The input tag provides an input field in your web page. Now the type and the value and other items of the input tag can be changed. This is how the input tag looks like. So now we're going to learn how to code it in our studio to give us this. Now let's go. Now we're going to open our file first, name it input.html to create our page, our workspace, then your DOC. Yeah. Now our page is ready. The input tag is just input, but you're not going to stop there. You're going to write inside of the input tag, inside of the opening tag. You put a type. If it is a text, you type in text. It means that when the field opens on your web page, you can type in any kind of text in it. Let's see how it looks like. Now this is the input tag. This is the field. You can type anything in it. Since you used the text type, you can change the type to anything you would want it to be. Now let's try password. Let's change the type to password. Input, type, password. Now remember, if you're giving a command, you use your equals to and your quotation mark to give the command. We're changing the text type to password. Then you see how the password input looks like. Yeah, this is our password. The text type, you can type your text, but in the password type, it comes out in X. That means you cannot see what you're typing. Just like when you type in your password in your email, your Facebook, you don't see the password. This is how it is coded. Now, yeah, we're trying to space the fields. Yes, space the field, it will still come out the same thing. You use your B arrow to give them the space. Yeah, it will still come out as your password. Now we're going to try something else. We're going to try the placeholder. Now, in your input tag, instead of type, you use placeholder. Now, the type can still remain and you still have your placeholder. The placeholder means a faint word written inside of the field. Now the type will use the password and the placeholder password. It means that the faint write-up you want to be inside of your field should be password. You can decide to write any other thing apart from password. It means that that field is holding the statement, which is the password. So we're going to change that text to password because we're going to use the password format. The type is going to be in password. You can still put it in a text. You can still use a placeholder in a text. Let's see how it's going to look like. You see the placeholder? That's the third field there. It has password written inside in faint writing. You've seen this before, right? Yeah. It still comes out with your password type. If you use a text type, it will still come out as text. Now, whatever you write in your placeholder is what will be written on the field in your web page, but it will be faint. It will not be as bold as your normal text. Let's try another input, the button. The button is a clickable field, just like when you want to click enter. When you put your password and you click enter, it takes you to another page, right? Yeah. So the type now is button. That is called a button. Now, when you use a button as your type, you don't use placeholder, you use value. Now, whatever you write in your value is what will appear on your button. Now, you can put enter, you can type insert, whatever you want to be in on your button is what will appear. Yeah. You've seen something like this, right? It's clickable. You see, you can click it to go to another page. So that is how the button looks like. We're breaking it so that the button comes under instead of the same line. You see, it's very easy, right? So this is how the input tag, we have so many types and values and placeholders you can use for your inputs. The input has so many types, right? Now these are some of them, you can use for your input. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Hope to see you next time. If you have any question, I'm right there in the comment section to answer any question you have. Thank you.